Hello, I'm Emily and I'm going to show you how to make a polka dot cake using buttercream frosting. Start by tinting your frosting using gel food colours. Use a piping bag with a round tip. Grab a piece of parchment paper or a parchment circle and pipe dots of different sizes by squeezing different amounts of frosting onto the parchment paper. Try to get the dots as thin as possible. Don't worry about them being neat, we're going to flip them over when we use them. This is a great technique if you're not confident to decorate straight onto your cake. Put the frosting dots in the freezer to chill. Now we're going to frost the cake. I'm doing a crumb coat first. Check out my tutorial on how to frost a cake for tips on frosting. Once the cake is frosted, we're going to add the dots. You could pipe the dots straight onto the cake, but this way you can be sure you won't make a mistake. The frosting dots will get soft about a minute after coming out of the freezer, so you have to move fast. It's a good idea to do 2 trays of dots, so you can take one out, stick a few dots onto the cake, and then put the tray back in the freezer and take the other one out. You can place as many dots as you like on the cake, onto the top, around the sides, and of course you can choose whichever colours you prefer. I'm lifting the cake off the turntable to put it onto a clean board, and now I'm going to pipe a border around the base of the cake. And voila!